Fix It gang, and we're here. We're still here with the Volvo. You already know how it goes. Yeah, the 3.2 liter. This is the XC90. Just to make it clear for anyone who didn't know, I've been working on this car for a few weeks now. Come to find out that there's a few more things. When I finally checked the plug, there were oils down in there. So obviously that's a valve cover gasket right there, seal. That's bad. All right, let's get into it right now. We're just gonna take the whole cover apart. We're gonna remove all the bolts. I don't even know how much is it. Oh snap. All right, we're gonna do this. We can do this. Y'all believe in me, right, guys? Yeah, I think I could do this. All right, I never did this before. Well, I did it one time before. Yeah, that was in North Carolina. I never did it on a Volvo XC90 before, because I've been online looking for the valve cover gasket seal, and everything is gonna take a while to come. And this is a DIY project, and I want it to be good as well, because guys, I just ordered brand new, brand new. So you already know. So that's gonna go into this. So I cannot put those in here knowing that it's leaking oil. You see this? This is the spark plugs that came out of there. You know what I mean? So they are not in good shape. When I look at them, they're really not in good shape. This focus not working right here. But yeah, they're not in good shape, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to remove this cover off the engine and get to this valve seal. And no, we're not going to order one offline. We're probably going to use a fix it tool. Like, I don't know, I heard that silicone does the job as well. So I'm gonna see how that works, but that is how we're gonna be doing this right now, guys, because I need this to be done up and running.
Hey guys, so I'm helping my dad paint the car grill, and it's not gonna look like this when we paint it. So it's gonna look different.
So now we're going to be taking off the head part, well, the cover, I guess, of the engine. This thing have like a million screws. So far I've taken out 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts so far. All right, let's do this. Boy, let me tell you guys, if I only knew what I was up against when I decided to remove this valve cover gasket, not knowing that more problem lies underneath this very valve cover. I didn't even know that I would be the one that to go through this, because these things probably don't happen as often as you would think, but it happened to me. But I would leave you guys to go ahead and watch the video and see. And this is a multiple part video, guys, so it's not just one part. You're going to see me do everything. It's a multiple part video. Thank you. Jeez.
still going. So I almost reached the 1 million screws. It's a lot of bolts, man. Alright, we still going. Let's deal with that.
So people, right here, I'm cleaning up all the dust that I've been, flying around in the area, so that when I lift the cover up, I don't have anything going inside the head of the engine. Just trying to be safe here, because remember, I've never did one like this before. I never did a SUV, did anything like this to an SUV before, of this sort. So right here, we're just going with our knowledge that we have so far, and knowing that, okay, we keep the area clean, everything out of the way. The battery is already disconnected, because I'm dealing with electrical components here, so all of that needs to be taken into consideration. So guys, this is part 1 of this video, removing the valve cover gasket. I appreciate you guys. If you reach this far in the video, please consider subscribing, like, and share. And I thank you for checking out my video. This is Mr. Fix It. Stay tuned.